Our first event of the year, and we really do hope everyone has a fantastic time for our Integrated Weed Management Day with Kirsten, Teresa, Parks for London and Lantra. We've got a lot of different sessions planned, from outdoor interactive sessions to a little bit of inside, going through the processes of integrated weed management all the way down to reducing the chemical usage within our industry.
As we're trying to educate as many people as possible on the benefits of integrated weed management.
Weed control is really traditional. Most people just think of spraying it or strimming it. There's so many different alternative methods out there that everyone needs to look at, especially with the way that everyone's going with the environment and the environmental impacts of using traditional methods to control weeds.
And we've been helping develop the guidance and training, etc. around it. But it's slowly building up steam, and this was one way of getting it to a few more people.
Today was all about coming out and making sure I'm delivering the best and most up-to-date information to my apprentices, and integrated weed management, I think, is a great step towards the future.
Well, at Countrywide, we're quite keen to understand what is around the corner as soon as we can.
Because I think it's something that's going to be coming more and more into our work life.
So we do weed prevention, which is a heavily chemical based, but we want to look at how we can get away from that and use a more environmentally friendly product.
It's been a really, really good group today. I think we've had a big mix from a variety of different customers, whether it's housing associations, contractors, individual sites, and they've all been really engaged.
Everyone was really hands-on, really interactive, asking loads of questions about different services for maintenance. So it was really good to educate people when we're out actually doing the demonstration, and allowing people to actually have a hands-on feel for the products as well.
We currently already run the Kirsten equipment, but the Teresa equipment, we've had a good demo. It looks a very good bit of kit as well. So we'll look to probably purchase one of the weed rippers to put in our fleet to help maintain our sites.
It was nice to see some of the heat treatments for treating weeds. I think that's been really moved on since it's first started many years ago now, and I think the technology is improving greatly. And I think it's getting to the point now where we can look at it as a real alternative to chemical control for weeds.
It's been a brilliant day in terms of understanding the challenges around integrated weed management and how it all sort of plays a part in giving councils and contractors, public spaces, a better way of doing things.
It's interesting to see how the training courses are devised that have come from the integrated weed management products that are on offer.
I think it's generally, sharing best practice, looking to upskill the industry, and basically making people more aware of the resources and the training courses that are out there.
And it's fantastic. The fact that you're doing it for free for the guys that are attending is superb.
Talking to a few of the other delegates here today, quite a few people from industry are coming out and really appreciate GroundsFest putting on these events for free. It's a great day out. You've got the latest technology on display, some good speakers giving us the up-to-date sort of developments in legislation and developments in the industry. So it's a brilliant way to keep your CPD up to date.
It's good for networking as well, so meeting other people in the industry.
And also it's talking to like the Lantra who are here today, to different courses that I need to stick some of our men on to help them in their job and make it more efficient, and that we are running as legal as possible.
I'm certainly hoping that delegates today have come away feeling more confident in being able to actually implement and consider non-chemical first approaches, whilst also understanding that there are going to be environments and scenarios where chemical use is necessary.
It's raising the profile of the integrated weed management area.
We're really happy that there's been the best turnout that we've had to one of our events. We've got a lot planned for the future and several events coming up, so keep an eye out for those on social media.